poor man's
Hey
comfort
everyone, it's
Dollar
Marisa
Tree
from
edition.
Marisa
The kids
Easy
have been
Eats.
begging me
He
to make
has
this again.
such
It's
a
literally
great
just 3
idea here.
ingredients. Fully cooked already, but I want to throw them in there frozen. Whole box of Jack.
At first I
2
thought
cups
he had it
H2O.
in the
Make
package,
it
by
lumpy.
the way.
And mix in the ingredient takes this to the next level. Ta-da!
I've never thought of putting
Crispy.
syrup in that.
I'll never let go, Jack. As she pushes
Make
them
sure
underwater.
you pre-butter
And then
your
we're going to
pan.
simply cook it till it's done. And
This
when
is
we're
so
done,
cool.
little syrup to drizzle on top. The great thing about this is
Love
it's
this
super
idea.
moist
Great
because of the
idea.
syrup that's inside of it.